Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Welcome back to our channel. As you can see from the title, we are making brisket chili empanadas. So basically, we have our brisket chili left over from last night. If you would like the recipe for this, it'll be linked down in the description. And to make the empanadas is super simple. We need 3 3/4 cups of flour. I have 1 tablespoon of salt. I have 12 tablespoons of cold butter. And I just have some cold water, and we're just going to use 1 3/4 cups of cold water. A little bit less, it just depends on how you would like your dough. So let's get into it. And we're not using gloves, we're just going to use some really clean hands. So we're going to take our bowl, we're going to pour our flour in the bowl. You just want to break it up with your fingers. Make sure that there is no lumps or clumps in it. Open up your butter, and then we're going to just slowly, well, you know what? Before, we're going to add the salt. I'm not going to add all of it, just a little bit, because the butter is salted. Take the butter and crumble it up into the dough. Okay. And we're just going to knead it until it no longer sticks to my fingers. Okay. Onto the counter. Let's knead the dough. Okay. So once we have the dough pretty much made, we're just going to put it back in our little handy dandy bowl. And we're going to sit this in a refrigerator for 30 minutes. So we will be back in about 30 minutes. Okay, so the dough has been sitting in the refrigerator for about an hour or so. So we're going to take it out, and we're actually going to just knead it a few more times. Let me remove my ring before we actually start. So we're going to be back on a clean counter. Just going to knead it in a little bit with the flour. Not too much. Okay. Now that we have it, we're just going to grab some dough. We're going to make a ball. Put a little bit of flour. I'm just going to roll it out. Okay. Want to get it as thin as possible. We don't want it too thick. Okay. So now that we have it, it's all rolled out. We're just going to take our filling, which is the brisket chili, and we have some cheese, and we're just going to scoop this inside of the empanada. So let's do that now. Hmm. And we're just going to use our fingers to make some indents. There we go. Then we're going to just set it to the side and we're going to continue to make some more. Okay, so let's continue to make our empanadas. We're just going to grab a dough ball, put in a little bit of flour, grab our rolling pin, and just roll it out as thin as you can get it. Okay, this is a good size. It's not a perfect circle. You can definitely make them a perfect circle. This is my first time making empanadas, but we're going to see how it turns out. Let me get this out your way. So we're just going to put some filling, some cheese. Then we're just going to flip it over. Use the fork to seal the ends. Then we'll just do the same to the other side. There we go. Got some filling coming out. So you want to make sure we seal it really good. Okay. And I'll just clean up that filling in a minute. So it looks like we have enough leftover brisket chili and cheese for one more. So let's make one more. So we're just going to make our dough ball. Put in a little bit of flour. Press it down in a cute little circle. Just going to roll it out. Okay, so for this last one, I think we're going to try the large empanada maker. I think I made the dough large enough for it, so let's see. You want to make sure that it covers the full thing, and it does. Yay, okay. So now we're just going to add the filling. We're not going to put it close to the edge because we don't want it to seep out, so we're just going to put the filling. Some cheese. And we're going to close it. This is the back of it. This is the front with the excess dough. So I'm just going to take it off. Discard it. We're going to open it. Let's pull it out. It's not all the way clamped, so let's see if we can maybe push it down a little bit more. Don't want it to fall apart. Gonna push it down this way. Now let's try. Nice. And this is made with the large empanada maker. So I believe I made about 4 or 5. What I'm going to do is put them in the refrigerator. I'm going to clean up. Then I'm going to heat up some oil to make the empanadas. Okay, so we're going to heat up some oil. I'm going to put it over medium heat for some vegetable oil. Okay, so once your oil has heated up, you're just going to place them in the oil. Okay, so this one looks like it's starting to brown, so we just want to turn it over. Okay, so it looks like they are just about done. You can fry them to your desired doneness. I don't want to say doneness, but texture, I should say. If you want them super crunchy, not that crunchy, you do want to make sure that you do not burn them. I'm going to flip them one more time. I'm actually going to go ahead and take it out. Okay. So here are the empanadas. Okay, so the empanadas are done. Let's try them. Let's see.
I'm ready. Try it. What you scared of it for?
I'm not. It's hot. It's hot.
So why'd you try to give me the phone?
So your finger one just burnt. Okay, let's try it. Mmm. 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 It's hot. Hold on. Let me take another bite and I'll show y'all the inside. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Sorry, y'all. It's hot. But I don't want to stop chewing. So good. Okay. That is, it gives breakfast. I don't know. Like, it's really good, y'all. This is definitely something I would eat for breakfast. I give this a 10 out of 10. Y'all should definitely try it. Let me know if y'all follow this recipe and y'all make your own empanadas or if y'all make some chili brisket. The description will be linked down below. But if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.